people think of hot chocolate, the first thing they think of is those little packets of cocoa mix that you get in the grocery store with the dehydrated marshmallows in it. Well, today we're making an adult hot chocolate. So I'm going to start by making my homemade hot chocolate here. I'm just going to add 2 cups of milk to a saucepan. I got some sugar here, tablespoon of sugar. I got 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And then we'll add just a pinch of salt to that. I like to add the salt here. And that's the basic mixture for my hot cocoa. Making your own hot chocolate is really easy to do. I'm just going to put this over the stove top here. We just want to scald this here. We don't want to bring this to a rolling boil because then it'll boil over your saucepan and it's just going to make a big mess. You want to keep an eye on this. Just grab a whisk, incorporate everything together. About 3 to 5 minutes on the stovetop this should take. And once it comes to a simmer, we can turn the heat down to low. And now we can add our chocolate. Just give everything a good whisk first. Make sure all that cocoa powder is dissolved, all the sugar is dissolved, and you have a nice homogeneous mixture. Again, make sure the heat's on low because this will boil over. So I got a 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate. You could use dark chocolate or even bittersweet chocolate if you don't want it as sweet. Got a 1/4 teaspoon of some good vanilla, and the chocolate's just going to melt, and we're just going to whisk that in. And that's basically our hot chocolate mixture. So if you were making regular hot chocolate, you could stop right here. Just add this to a mug, put some marshmallows on top or some whipped cream, and this is a really delicious homemade hot chocolate right here. This was on the bar menu during the winter months at one of the restaurants I worked at, and it was one of the most popular drinks we sold there. And I absolutely love to make this at home. I make this like once or twice a week. So this is ready to go. We'll just let this hang out, and we're going to make some homemade whipped cream for this spiked hot chocolate. So I have a cup of heavy cream here, and we're just going to whisk this up. Only take a couple of minutes. Just like that, you got some whipped cream. Flavor this up a bit. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. To sweeten it up, we'll add 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Whisk that in. And I'll finally get the alcohol going for this spiked hot chocolate. I'm using Rumchata for this hot chocolate. I'm going to put this in the whipped cream as well. Put 1/2 ounce in, just to give that whipped cream some added alcohol flavor. And this Rumchata really has a great flavor to it. Goes really well with the hot chocolate. Just whisk that in. And then our whipped cream's ready to go. So now we can assemble this spiked hot chocolate. We'll bring back the Rumchata here. And I'm going to use 1 ounce. You could use a little more, of course. I feel like 1 ounce is good for 1 serving. Bring my mug here. Pour our Rumchata in the bottom of the mug here. And then we'll grab our hot chocolate mixture. Pour that right over the top. And then we'll just spoon over some of that whipped cream. So we have a little base here to build our whipped cream on top of. I'm going to pipe it on here. Just go around the edges. Until we meet in the middle. That looks pretty good. I got some dark chocolate bar here. Just shave that over the top for garnish. And I'll just pop in a cinnamon stick. That's my spiked hot chocolate. Got Rumchata in the hot chocolate mix and in the whipped cream. Hot chocolate isn't just for the kids. Go ahead and make this adult spiked hot chocolate. You will absolutely love it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it helps this channel grow, and subscribe to the channel. Put out new videos each and every week. I really appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.